Hey Griddle Nation, welcome to the Griddle guys. Big cheers to you, our subs. If you're not a sub, please consider subscribing. You get the little cook with us every Friday. You'll get some good content. Hit that button.
Our Patreon guys, awesome.
Thank you guys so much. We appreciate you.
Really appreciate it.
We got a couple things we're working on for you guys, so stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
But anyways, got to cook tonight. Nate's running a little late. He's going to be here. It's his birthday today. Birthday for Nate.
Can't even give him crap about being late.
Can't.
He's gonna. Hopefully, he's doing something.
I think
more
he's
fun.
doing it on purpose why he's late, but I don't blame him. So, anyway, stick around. It's going to be a good video. It's going to be a quick video, and it's going to be a monster sandwich. So, be back. Cheers. We're doing a cook tonight, and the reason we're doing a cook tonight is literally this week I ordered a roast beef club from a restaurant / sub shop. Right? Literally took one bite and it was no good. The roast beef was way overcooked. The bread was soggy. The lettuce was soggy. It was just not good. And I said to myself, I wanted one. I was craving one. I'm pretty much going to do it myself. I'm not going to do a club because you need that third piece. I'm just going to do a crazy good roast beef sandwich, and we're going to get the griddle involved. And
then he said, hey, wait a second. I have a 600-pound, $3,000 meat slicer in my basement, so why not use it?
Why not use it and show you folks? I mean, not everybody has one, and if you don't, Nate and I, he lives next door. We split it. Find a good neighbor, a family friend, and
he already yelled at me for trying to touch it. I was just.
Why would you see how sharp it is? It's sharp, of course. Anyway. So with this roast beef, what I did was I sous vide it for about 5 hours today. And I'll be honest with you, Nate, I'm curious to your answer on this. How does not every restaurant, sub shop not sous vide their roast beef?
Oh, I know.
Because you're getting the whole piece of meat.
Do you want like a serious answer?
Consistently. Actually, you know what? I seasoned this a lot before I actually put it in there, but I'm gonna season it more because we're gonna cut this so thin, paper thin.
There's gonna be nothing on the edge.
You're not gonna.
There is no edge. We're slicing it so
I'm gonna
thin.
season it right now. We got Jeff throwing some bacon down along with some onions to follow up with that. But we're gonna season this up and then throw it right on my other griddle to sear it up and use the torch there to do that as well. So I'm gonna do all sides on this. But yeah, Nate, now that we're here, I do want your insight. I don't understand how, so especially if you're a roast beef house.
So not everybody has roast beef houses. That's kind of like I think like a New England thing.
Right. I would agree. I would agree with that.
So up here, you can go to like Kelly's roast beef. You can go to Blue House roast beef. You can go to Giovanni's roast beef. You can go to Atkinson House roast beef.
No, don't go to Giovanni's.
Yeah, don't go to Giovanni's.
Whoa.
But these places specialize in making a monster roast beef, like 16-ounce shredded roast beef sandwich. Some of them are really, really, really good. Like the beef is just incredibly tender. The sandwich is a monster. There's no chew to it at all. It's like really, really good beef. Other ones, it's like they went to the supermarket, ordered roast beef, and they threw it on bread and said, here you go.
Right.
So the ones that do it really well, Chris, they sell a commercial appliance. It's like a Nova now makes something similar. It's a very controlled environment. It's what they call like an air sous vide or a sous vide oven instead of a sous vide cooker. So it injects steam and controls the temperature to within a ½ degree. So
throughout the whole piece of beef?
Throughout the whole appliance. So it looks like a stand-up fridge.
Oh, yeah. Nice.
It looks like a fridge with a glass door, or it's not even just a stainless steel door.
That's the way to do it. I mean, that's us, but it's on steroids. That's what we're doing.
Yeah, so they load it up with beef, and they cook it like 20 hours. But it's cooked at, say, 125 degrees for 20 hours with, with whatever humidity the chef or cook has chosen. So you're getting precision cooking in an oven. And the result is you get that, you could take a cheaper cut of beef, like a bottom round, and when you shave it thin, it's like butter. I mean, it just melts in your mouth. Now, since we don't have that appliance and we do have our $89 sous vides.
$90, guys. I'll tell you, it'll change your life. You can do chicken, roast beef, steaks, any kind of steak.
And please use our link.
Where's your blue shirt? You should be,
I know, I should be
selling, right? Set it and forget it.
Guys, by the way, for what I did for seasoning, it's just salt, pepper, and oregano. They're very simple.
Nate's favorite because it's his birthday.
Very simple.
It's not my favorite.
So Nate, when we that's hot. Surprising.
Shocking.
We haven't gotten that in a while.
Yeah. Hey, did you throw some oil down?
Not yet.
All right, Jeff's gonna do his little fire.
Yeah.
Is that
Happy
all
birthday
oil, or
to
is that...
you. Happy birthday to you.
Yeah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Good thing I got a backup. Fire! Little Jack Daniels and the onions for the sandwich. It's gonna do nice.
For Jeff and Chris's sandwich.
Cooked a lot of things with Jack Daniels, and onions is by far the best.
It gives a flavor like, I don't know.
Flowers.
It's got like a florally.
I love it,
extra.
whatever it is.
So we're just gonna let that simmer for a little bit. Oh, it already smells awesome.
We're cooking this all on low, taking our time with it. We're not in a rush.
Well,
We're gonna sear the heck out of that.
I did turn the onions up to high just to get it to steam a little bit.
Yeah.
So that way, but let me turn that back down to low
Yeah.
now.
Per my boss Chris's direction, I'm gonna put the beef down and
do you need
start
some
searing
tongs?
it.
Are you good?
Yeah, grab me some
You
tongs.
got some tongs? How about a glove? You want a glove?
All right, we're gonna let that sit and roll for, I don't know, 10 minutes or
Well,
so.
we're gonna hit the top side with this.
Yeah, as we flip
Yeah.
it. Yeah.
I'd hit the top now. While
Yeah?
I'm sitting there.
Okay,
Oh, yeah.
go ahead while I wash my
I'll
hands.
do that.
Hey,
And
donkey.
the onions smell amazing.
They really do.
Nate, you're on audio. Have another incident.
Yeah. Oh, is he going to the bathroom
Yeah,
again?
hang on a second, guys. I just gotta go to the bathroom.
Oh, this smells so good.
So, Chris, you're gonna have to be careful you don't completely burn your oregano.
Yeah. That's all right. When I actually put it in, I loaded it. It actually stayed pretty on there when I sous vide it.
Stuck to it.
Yeah, I was pretty impressed. The beef is seared very nicely. Very nicely.
Bacon's done.
Bacon's
Oh, most of
done.
it.
I'm gonna let this sit for a little bit so we can put it on the slicer. Next up, we're gonna get the bread toasted. We're using marble rye.
Onions a killer.
The onions are gonna be great. Can't
What are we
wait.
using?
Marble rye.
Marble rye.
What'd I say?
I don't know.
Marble rye. Did I slur, Nate?
You said marble rye.
Oh, jeez. Well, you were late. So I just want to show you, sous vide is the way to go. I mean, that is the whole piece of beef, same temperature, same cook, nice. 130, what'd I do? 131 and a half.
For how many hours? 5?
I did it for 5 hours. And I'll be honest with you guys, it's the way to go. It makes your, every beef tastes that much better. Again, roast beef places. I don't know why they don't do it. I don't know why they don't. Like you mentioned, some do, but I don't know why everybody doesn't do it. Anyway, we're gonna slice this up. We're gonna keep doing this for a good 10 minutes probably.
Nah, it'll go faster than
You
that.
think so?
Yeah, it'll go quick.
Again, if you have a neighbor or brother-in-law, buy one of these. Family, split it. You will use it and you will, we're gonna do a cheesesteak video on this.
We
using
did.
this.
We did take this camping too with us.
We did take a
Hey,
camping.
you gotta empty your pile of meat there and move it over.
That blade's not that sharp. You don't have to worry about it.
Yeah, no, it's not sharp at all. They only highly recommend cut-proof gloves for cleaning it.
Yeah. Look at that pile. That's the stuff right there.
I haven't tried it yet.
Well, how was it?
Looks like a pile.
Yum yum.
I love it.
All right, get back to work.
Time to put the bread down.
Good to know.
Get this toasted up nice. Marble rye.
Are you toasting both sides of that?
No, I just did one. Gonna let those brown up. We're gonna get the cheese melted on the griddle, and we're gonna build.
So is marble rye spelled M-A-R-B-A-R-Y-E?
Marble.
No, it's M-A-B-R-L.
It's maybe bread.
It's
Marble rye.
my favorite. It really is.
Marble rye. Was that the Seinfeld episode? The marble rye? When he stole it from the old bag. You guys don't watch TV, do you?
Well, we do. It's just not from the 80s.
I forgot how young you are, Jeff. Bread's all toasted. I'm gonna try something a little different. Right here, I got some cheddar cheese, some medium cheddar cheese, and I got what I mixed in was some horseradish cheese. And I don't know if this is gonna work, but we're gonna give it a try. I wanna just melt it a little bit. I just shut that burner up. I was using it on low. It's actually almost giving off too much heat, but we'll let it go. Just want it to melt a little. We're gonna throw some Duke's mayo. Actually, Nate, you can start hitting those with Duke's, all of them,
All right.
if you don't mind. Might fail, but we're gonna give it a try.
Do we want to put a number on that?
The over-under?
Squeeze bottle. The way to go. Until you almost run out. Then it's a pain.
Smell that horseradish? That smells good. It smells good. So I can actually start laying down some lettuce right on the mayo. I'm gonna try to build this right here. Probably do a couple layers of lettuce. Donkey, you already had your dinner. Get out of here, Jeff! And then I'm actually gonna start the onions, Jeff, right away. I'm gonna throw some onions on there.
Been waiting for those.
Look at that. Try to spread it out. Those smell good.
You sound like you're doing surgery, Chris.
Oh, it smells good.
There's a lot of concentration in
Liking
this
my
sandwich.
work right now, Nate. Is that what a surgeon does? Oh, I'm impressed with myself. All right.
I don't think.
Well,
you
the
can,
heat's off. There's nothing I can do. Let's hit this roast beef.
I don't think you can overdo the cheese. Let's get so much oil in it.
Now we're gonna pile some roast beef.
I'm on a diet. If you can go light on mine. Dunk looks like he's on a diet too back there.
Nate, you mind grabbing the light a little? Oh, a little. Yeah, if you don't mind.
Already on my way.
Thank you, bud.
We started this at 4 o'clock.
Yeah. What is it now? 5? No, we did not. We did not start at 4.
That is a monster roast beef.
Does Duncan get the rest of the beef, Chris?
No, he does not. That's leftover sandwiches, guys, right there. Come on, look at it. Beautiful. All right, now the tough part. The cheese. We're going to see if this works. I don't know. Let's start with this guy.
The moment of truth. Come on, you can do it. Just
I
go
say
all
let it
in.
sit for a
Go
little
all
longer.
You
in.
maybe let it sit a little
think let
longer.
it sit.
I kind of like it right there.
Yeah, but if you let it sit, it'll give it a little
It's just
crust.
not going to be easy for me to grab it. I know it isn't.
Just
That
kinda
was good.
Shape them all. Just kind of shape them into the shape that you want.
Oh, here we go. All right, first sandwich down.
That looks
that
like
came
it,
Well
man.
done,
Yeah,
Chris.
that,
Well done.
that worked.
That came out pretty good. A little more in the end there.
I think the crust is the key. A tiny little bit.
I think I should have just done a little more cheese. Oh,
That's rare that you don't overdo it with a topping,
I
Chris.
know, right? All right, I'll take that. That's good.
That works.
See, that one's on a cooler spot up front.
You're right. This one is not going to go as well. I can already tell.
Yeah, let it
But
sit for a bit.
I'll take that one, Nate.
I
Yeah,
call
it's close
that
enough.
like a 90% success
That's
rate.
pretty
right
good.
there.
I'm actually pretty happy with that, to be honest with you. That is yummy. Look at that. I'm going to take pictures of that already.
All right, what other toppings you got?
All right, so next. Should I do bacon next? Absolutely. Put that bacon on.
You said these each had like 150 calories, right?
This is all low fat.
I think it was only
all low
85
fat, no
calories.
fat,
Yeah.
Jeff.
85, all right.
All low fat, no fat.
You're good to have two, brother. You're good to have two.
Perfect.
Let me get one more piece of bacon. Donkey, I can feel you on my leg, my man. We've been feeding you.
Well, Donkey can smell you.
You can top it off with tomatoes.
Looking like a tower of deliciousness, Chris.
Now, what do you guys think? More lettuce on top?
Yeah, sure. I'll take
sure.
some.
One more thing of lettuce, right? A little more green in there. Actually, before I do that, hold on. I almost forgot.
What, your horseradish sauce?
You got it, brother. Thanks for reminding me. So it's just a horseradish sauce I bought right at the deli counter. Throw a little bit on that.
I'll take extra of mine. Nice.
And then top that off with a little more lettuce.
And then Jeff and Nate have to get that disjointed jaw to take a bite of this.
No, listen, imagine if I actually did the yellow piece of bread right in the middle. No. Anybody want jalapenos? I bought it just in case.
I'll take some.
You want some?
Yep.
Jeff, this is going to be yours. This is the monster. He's got the biggest mouth, right?
He does. Never stops moving.
Jalapenos uncooked, seeds in.
No, my dentist actually said one time I have a really small mouth for a big guy. I didn't know how to
How
take
did he know?
I didn't really know how to take that.
Now the top. And now the top. Like a surgeon, right, Nate? Like you said.
I don't know. There's a lot of concentration, Chris. I've never heard your voice so low.
Yeah.
You're intense.
You're
There's-
gonna hear it loud in
you're
about 2
focused on
seconds
this.
because-
You're focused on this.
What I got going on here?
I think we're ready
Oh,
for
100%.
3, 2,
1,
1
2,
here.
3. Done! And we blew the speakers out. Time to taste it. I'm happy with this. So very happy with how these look. I'm gonna try to cut one of these bad boys. What do you guys think so far? They look pretty good, right?
They look delicious.
Yeah. Let's see if we can cut this without. There we go. And just open it up. Look at this. Wow.
I don't think I've ever seen Chris concentrate so much on a video.
Look at that.
Or drip so much stuff on his floor.
That is the stuff right
That is good. Wow. Guys, I'm sorry. I'm not waiting. I'm going right in.
Have at it,
Right
brother.
in.
Have at it.
I've been dying for this.
You put the work in.
I heard his jaw break.
I've been looking for that.
I love it.
The bacon, the cheese, the horseradish.
Coming through?
Coming right through, right away, which I like. I
feel like if
cleans
we
my
just-
nostrils just a little bit.
If we leave it at him doing that, he's going to rate it as like a 20 just because.
It is a 20.
All right.
20. No, but sous vide, way to go with this. Again, I did this because I was not able to get this for delivery or at a restaurant. Not like this.
Yeah, no, you're right. I mean, most of the time you order a roast beef sandwich, it's just a letdown.
Absolutely. This is rare. I mean, I could pull a piece out, guys. It's like the perfect color. I don't know if you can pick it up on the camera. That's how roast beef should be served. Every time. I don't care if it's on a sub roll. I don't care if it's on a sandwich. I don't care if it's on a club.
Yeah, no one likes roast beef well done.
Nobody does.
Well, maybe you do. If you do, I'm sorry.
If you do, I'm sorry too. You shouldn't get roast beef. Get chicken.
Nice.
Anyway,
Nice. Way to alienate half of our audience.
that's all right. They kind of know what I'm saying. But anyways, guys, thank you for sticking around.
Like.
Subscribe, tell your friends.
We'll see you on the next one.
Take care, guys.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers. Oh, don't go away. Big happy birthday to Nate. Let me grab that right there.
Birthday.
Oh, I forgot all about it. Got a nice little birthday cake for Nate here. Then I'm gonna ask her to borrow your lighter, Nate.
Wow.
Can I borrow your lighter?
Really,
real
when
quick?
you said little birthday cake, you weren't kidding.
Yeah, cupcake. Hey, happy birthday. I'm not gonna tell everybody how old you really are. Yes, he's older than me.
Listen,
No, he's not.
it doesn't bother me to be 29. I mean, I'll be 30 next year.
I just want to know what he's wishing for.
Make a wish, brother. Happy birthday. Many more.
Almost 30 is fine with me.
Many more. Now you guys can go. We'll see ya.
See you on
Have a
the next
good
one.
one.